Hi everyone. Thank you for joining us through Azure Learning Series. Through this learning path, you will learn from Azure fundamentals to Azure architecture. So we are going to make you think like an architect. So stay with us for 60 minutes. We make sure you enjoy these videos and going to have a fantastic learning today. Let's get started. Let's quickly go through what we are going to discuss today. First module, we are going to take a look at the importance of the cloud services and how to get started with Azure and some of the migration strategies. Second module, we will try to understand more on the Azure global architecture, like how Azure spread across different regions, the connectivity between the data centers, and that's going to give us a big picture about the Azure platform. And the third module, we are going to talk more on the networking components such as virtual network, firewalls, network security group, and how to establish the site-to-site connectivity between your on-premise and the Azure data center. Fourth module, we will talk more on the Azure storage services. So we will try to understand the various storage components like blob storage, queue storage, managed disk, and also we will talk from the replications and the encryption standpoint. Fifth module, we will explore more on the Azure compute components like virtual machines, scale sets, availability sets, and also we will give you the best practices to be followed when it comes to virtual machine management. Sixth module, we are going to take a look at the identity strategies, which is all about syncing your on-premise Active Directory with Azure Active Directory and leveraging Azure Active Directory for all your authentications and authorizations for managing Azure resources. At this point, we cover most of the infrastructure as a service components, and this is the time to focus more on the platform as a service components. We will begin with containers on the 7th module. We will try to understand why container is important and the different container platforms available in the Azure. Also, we will see how to package, store, and run the containers using the Azure Container Registry, Azure Kubernetes services, and various services provided by the Azure platform. On the 8th module, we will take a look at the Azure app services like web apps, logic apps, Azure functions, and see how you can use these app services to make your applications even better. 9th module, we will take a look at the integration services like Event Hub, Event Grid, Service Bus, and how you could use these services when developing cloud native applications. On the 10th module, we will see how to secure your cloud workloads and how you could implement various Azure security features across data, applications, network, identity, and also see how to take care of the governance and compliance within the Azure. On the 11th module, we will take a look at the all aspects of monitoring and diagnosing your cloud solution using the Azure Monitor toolsets. Finally, we are not going to miss the DevOps. We will demystify everything about DevOps and see how you could integrate Azure DevOps services to create a CI/CD pipeline for your applications to make your applications more agile. After completing all modules, you will have a clear understanding on various Azure platform features, and we believe this course is designed to make you think like an architect. Stay tuned. See you on the first module, Introduction to Cloud Services.